Hello guys, welcome back. Choosing the right e-bike battery is crucial for performance, range and longevity. In this guide, we break down the top 5 e-bike batteries, explaining their key features, benefits and what makes them stand out. Whether you're upgrading or buying new, discover the best options to power your ride efficiently. For more information, like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. How e-bike batteries work. E-bike batteries are the powerhouse behind electric bicycles, providing the energy needed to propel your ride. Most modern e-bikes use lithium-ion, Li-ion batteries, known for their lightweight design, long lifespan, and fast charging capabilities. These batteries store electrical energy and deliver it to the motor, determining the bike's speed, range, and overall performance. Key factors that influence an e-bike battery's performance include voltage, V, which affects power output, and amp hours, Ah, which determines how long the battery lasts per charge. Higher voltage means more power, while a higher amp hour rating extends ride time. Proper care is essential to maximize battery lifespan. Avoid extreme temperatures, overcharging, or deep discharges. Most Li-ion batteries last 500 to 1,000 charge cycles before losing efficiency. Understanding how e-bike batteries work helps you choose the right one for your riding needs, ensuring a smooth, efficient, and long-lasting e-bike experience. Number 4. E-bike battery lifespan. Your e-bike battery is the heart of your ride, and maximizing its lifespan ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Understanding key factors like charging habits, storage conditions and maintenance can help extend battery life and save you from costly replacements. Lithium-ion batteries commonly used in e-bikes typically last 500 to 1,000 charge cycles, but proper care can push them even further. Avoid overcharging, extreme temperatures, and deep discharges to maintain peak efficiency. Storing your battery at a moderate temperature, between 10 to 25 degrees Celsius, and keeping it partially charged when not in use, prevents degradation. Regular maintenance such as cleaning contacts and using the right charger also plays a vital role in longevity. Whether you're a casual commuter or an avid rider, these simple steps can help maximize your e-bike battery's lifespan, ensuring a smoother and more reliable journey for years to come. Number 3. The care for your e-bike battery. Your e-bike's battery is its powerhouse, and proper care is key to maximizing performance and lifespan. The care for your e-bike battery provides essential guidance on maintaining, charging, and storing your battery to ensure it lasts longer and performs at its best. This guide covers best charging practices, including when and how to charge to prevent overcharging or deep discharging. Learn how temperature and storage conditions impact battery health and what you can do to protect it from extreme heat, cold, and moisture. We also discuss cleaning tips, how to handle long-term storage, and warning signs that your battery might need replacing. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend rider, this resource helps you get the most out of your e-bike battery. Avoid costly replacements and unexpected failures. Take control of your battery's health today. Number 2. Future of e-bike batteries. E-bike battery technology is rapidly evolving, promising longer ranges, faster charging, and improved sustainability. The future of e-bike batteries lies in solid-state technology, which offers higher energy density, longer lifespans, and enhanced safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Graphene-enhanced batteries are also emerging, providing ultra-fast charging capabilities and increased efficiency. Another exciting development is swappable battery systems, making it easier for riders to extend their range without long charging waits. Additionally, manufacturers are focusing on eco-friendly battery solutions, such as recyclable and biodegradable materials, reducing environmental impact. Wireless charging and solar-powered battery integration could soon make e-bike charging more convenient and sustainable. With advancements in AI and smart battery management systems, future batteries will optimize performance, prevent overheating, and extend lifespan. Number 1. E-bike battery safety. E-bike batteries are the heart of electric bicycles, but improper use can lead to overheating, reduced lifespan, or even fire hazards. Ensuring safety starts with using high-quality lithium-ion batteries from reputable manufacturers. Always charge your battery with the recommended charger and avoid overcharging or exposing it to extreme temperatures. Storage also plays a crucial role. Keep your battery in a cool, dry place away from flammable materials. Regular inspection for damage, swelling, or unusual odours can prevent potential risks. If your battery is compromised, stop using it immediately and seek professional assistance. Avoid DIY repairs and modifications, as improper handling can lead to short circuits or dangerous malfunctions. When transporting or storing spare batteries, ensure they are secured to prevent impact damage. So guys, that's all for the top 5 E. Bike batteries explained. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.